Hey everybody, and welcome back to today's tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can verify your YouTube channel on iOS in 2021. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Safari and you want to go to the search bar and type in youtube.com. Once you have already typed that in your search bar, you want to go to you want to click sign in if you haven't already, and you want to sign into your account. You type in youtube.com again in that search bar, and if you already signed in, you want to click your YouTube profile or your YouTube channel logo, and you want to go to YouTube Studio. Now I created this Google account specifically for this video, so please bear with me if you see these things popping up. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to no, not permissions, you want to go to channel, and you want to go to feature eligibility, however you want to say it, and you want to go to features that require phone verification. As you can see, the default features are I can upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to playlists. Now, once I have already verified my YouTube channel, I can upload videos over 15 minutes, I can add custom thumbnails, and I can live stream and also get content ID appeals. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna verify my YouTube channel. You wanna tap on that that down arrow, and you want to go to verify phone number, and if it takes you to the YouTube app, you just simply have to go to Safari or go to whatever browser you prefer. So what I'm gonna do, you want to have in it says verifying your account by phone lets you unlock additional features on YouTube and helps you to make sure you're a real YouTuber and not a robot. So you want to select your country, and you also want to select whether you want to get an automatic voice message or you want to get a text verification code. So for me, I prefer getting a text verification code because I don't want anybody to be calling me and disturbing me while I am, making this tutorial for you guys. So you want to go and click submit. Once you have typed in your phone number, just wait for Google, or I should say YouTube, to send you the verification code. So YouTube send me the code, and I'm gonna type that in, and I'm gonna click submit. And there you have it, guys. Your YouTube channel, your YouTube account is now verified. And without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this tutorial helped you, because it would really mean the world to me, because I normally do not get feedback on any of my tutorials, only some that are popular. So that would be really great if you comment on this video. Thank you guys so much once again for watching.